Hello guys, welcome to my channel Python Educare. Today I have brought an interesting session which is on sending an email at a specific time. So in our job or in some of the certain tasks we need to send some emails at a specific time. So this script can help you doing that job. So this is a very simple one. So for performing this task you need to do some work, like say I am using here Google Gmail domain, so you can use Yahoo or AOL or Outlook. So for that you need to get the port number of that particular domain and then SMTP server for the same. I am using Gmail, so for this if you search in Google I can get the port number is 587 and the SMTP server is smtp.gmail.com. And for accessing the Google you need to do a small task, that is you need to go to your sender Gmail account. You need to go to your manage your Google account and then you need to navigate to security tab. In the security tab you will have this less secure access option, so you need to enable this. So if you're not enabling this, then we cannot bypass then we cannot log into this Gmail account using Python script, so you need to make it enabled. So now let us go to the script is very simple. So you need to import a library, that is smtp library. So you don't need to install it. This package comes inbuilt with your Python exe. Then ssl, import date time sdt, and then import time. We'll have these variables over here. There is a sender email, a receiver email, password, port 587, and smtp server. And then you need to have the message. In message you will have the subject, that is a trial mail via Python, and the body of the mail. Post that we'll have this ssl, this context equal to ssl.create default context, and then we'll be logging. This is nothing but logging to the email server using your sender email and password. So once login happens, now since we will be using a specific time, say I need to send a message at this specific time. Say now is, if you see, is 1st Feb. Today is 1st Feb 2021. So it will become 02 and then 1 Feb, and so the time is around 0088. So what I'm gonna do is like 00, I'll make it 11, okay, or I will make it 10. Let's see here. So 10, okay, I'll make it as 11. That is better. Now so next statement is like print send date send them. We'll get this at time in the timestamp format, and then print time, that is what's the current time now. Okay, so next is like I will be just differentiating it and I will be just printing it, and once once the differentiation is 0 it will print none, and then it will perform the next job, that is it will send the email, and then after that it will print a message that email sent. So let us see what's the message. So I made this 9:10, so I'll make it as 10. Okay, so before that I need to change the password value. So let me pause the video and change the password. So let me make it 12 seconds. Okay, it's currently 10:42. So the email will be sent at 12. So if you see, this is the time I have selected, that is 118520 in timestamp format, and this is the current system time. When these two subtraction become 0, the email will be sent. So as of now, if you see, it's I have selected as a 012 minute. So let us see the email is sent at 11:12 010 or not. So this is my inbox, receiver email. Let's see. Let us wait for a couple of seconds. Okay. If you see it's none, and then email sent, let me check the box, and if you see there is a message at this time. So this is a very simple one. Hope you have understood this hope you understood this concept, and you can use your own script and you can improvise it for your own requirement. So my next video will be how we can attach an attachment to the email. So guys, if you like my video, please press like button, and for more videos please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.